Greetings everyone, I am Dhanavandhana. My team members are Akshara, Saranya and Samyuktha. We have developed an inventory management system which will help retailers to add the stock details, and once after adding the stock details he can view the stock details. The retailers will be allowed to update the stock details when needed. Once the updated stock quantity is less than 5, an alert email will be sent to the retailers to update it to a higher value, because only if the quantity value is more than 5, then only it will be allowed for processing. The retailers will be allowed to delete the stock details which are not needed. To access the inventory management system, the retailer first need to sign up or register. Once after registering, he can use the credentials to log in and he can access the website. Now let us see how to register for the inventory management system we developed. It will be asked to enter the name, address, phone number, email ID and password. We need to give the details. Yeah, I have now entered the details. Now let's register. After successful registration, it will lead to the login page, and we have need to give the username and password we have set during registration. If the username and password matches, then it will be allowed to login. Yeah, our username and password has matched and it allowed us to log in. Now let's see it on the table we created in IBM Cloud. We have created a table named people, in which the register details will be stored. Just a minute, the table is loading. Yeah. In view data, we can see the details now added. Now I have added the column Dhanavandhana and the address, phone number. Here you can see the added names. Yeah, this is the details I have registered for accessing the website now. Yeah. Now we can let's add the stock details. The product name should be unique, using which we will be able to access the product. Choose. And I'm giving the product name, item quantity and the warehouse location. Once I give submit, it will be added in the database. Now let's check in the database whether the item shoe which I have added had been updated in the database. We have another table called product, which will have the product and stock details in it. Here you can see the the product which I have added have been added in the table. You can also view it in the view stock from the dashboard. Here you can see the products which were in the inventory management system. Now you can also update the product. For example, if the updated product value is less than 5, an alert email will be sent to the retailer to update it to a value higher than 5. Now let's take the email. Here you can see we have sent an alert email to dhanavandhana3@gmail.com. Here you can see that please update the quantity of product shoes, at least 10 number of pieces must be added. An alert mail will be sent. Yeah. Okay. Now if you want to delete a stock, you can delete it. Suppose if I delete the stock, ah, yeah, In the table, you can see after I deleted the product name shoes, it will get deleted. The website is loading. Once it loaded, you can see there will be no product named shoes. Here you can see the product shoes have been deleted. And if I update a product, if I update a product, it will be actually get displayed in the table. Suppose if I update the product value of item quantity for more than 50, item quantity to 50, it will be get updated in the table. Here you can, just a minute, once I load it, you can see the updated value of bag to 50. Here you can see the value of bag has been updated to, the quantity has been updated to 50. You can also view it in the view store. Yeah, these are the features we have implemented for our inventory management system. Using this, the retailer can add the stock details, update the stock details, he can view the stock details, and he can delete the stock details which are needed. Once he have performed all the operation, he can log out of the website. He will be redirected to the home page. And this is our inventory management system, in which we have two tables. We have used two tables, one for the storing the details of the users, and one for storing the details of the product. The table people will store the details of the users, and the table users a table product will store the details of the products. This is our inventory management system. We have deployed it on the Docker also, and we have implemented it. Here you can see these are the two tables, people and product. These are the features will be helpful for the retailers. We have developed an inventory management system which will help the retailers to access it. Thank you.